I apologize for not being with you in Tucson. Virginia and I were really looking forward to attending the EMC meeting, but trials of life got in the way. I want to thank K-State University and the EMC for this honor. Gary confirmed to me that this was originally the Feed Milling Hall of Fame award, and I had no idea that I would ever be given this honor. Even though my name is on this award, this is really a group effort. And I want to thank God that all through my career, He put me in the middle of a lot of talented and dedicated people. They are the ones that really made this possible. I want to give a big part of the credit to Vernon Hayes, who was an early recipient of this same award. He encouraged me from the beginning of my career at Hayes and Stolz to find ways to give back to the industry. But most of all, I want to give the credit to my wife of 50 years, Virginia. During my career in the feed industry, she has always stood by me with support and encouragement. I am truly humbled in receiving this Lifetime Achievement Award. Thank you.